So, good evening guys. I'm sorry I'm a month late making this video. I can't believe I've been on YouTube for half a decade, 5 years now. Sorry I've been a bit late. I've been really tired and I was packing for Portugal. Had the best time ever. All I did was sleep and exercise. That was it. At the time of my life there. Just want to live there one day. Just have a nice catch up. I know this has been a really tough 18 months, but we're getting back to normal now, and it's nice to see the world going back to normal. But thank you for doing everything you can, obeying the rules, hand hygiene, getting vaccinated, and wearing masks when you're told to. Together, we can do this. Thank you for watching this video, and I should soon see you guys again. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Love you guys loads. Good night.